Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. Welcome to another application guide video. In this application guide video, we're going to give you details about the CERN International Internship in Switzerland 2021 and 2022. The application for the CERN Internship program is now open for international students. Interested candidates can now apply for the fully funded 120 CERN Internship program 2021 and 2022. If you have completed 18 months of your current degree, undergraduate or graduate, this particular program is an excellent chance for you to gain experience as well as work on your final project. The selected candidates can spend up to 12 months in Switzerland under the supervision of the CERN Switzerland. The host organization is aiming to hire 120 candidates for the paid internship program. The program is open for undergraduate and postgraduate students in technical fields. It can be a maximum of 12 months of paid internship. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for students to gain experience and skills in just 4 months. The applicants do not require any English proficiency certificate. There are different fields offered at the CERN internship, such as applied science, electrical or electronic engineering, general or civil engineering, and etc. More fields are also offered. The internship will be an impressive addition to your CV to give your career a boost. Switzerland is already a home for many international students. What are you waiting for? Apply for the fully funded internship program right away. More details about the program are given in the article. The fields to which the internship is offered. The eligibility criteria: nationals of CERN member or associate member states are eligible. Applicants must have completed at least 18 months of their undergraduate degree. Applicants must have an English proficiency certificate and be good at the French language. Applicant must be considered a full-time student for 4 months or a maximum of 12 months. Benefits of the CERN internship program. The CERN internship program will cover all the expenses of the selected candidates. It is a fully funded opportunity for international students. Contract of association of 4 to 12 months of work in the technical project will be assigned between the intern and the host organization. Airfare will be provided to and from Geneva. Healthcare insurance is offered by the host organization. The organization will coordinate with the candidate to find an accommodation. 2 to 5 days leave per month will be allowed. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video and you will be redirected to this page. You have to scroll down towards the application process section and click on apply now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on the apply now button, you will be redirected to the CERN Careers homepage. You can see the Technical Student Support Program. You can read all the details on this page and you can scroll down to view the technical student opportunities. You can select the internship according to your major that you want to apply to. Click on that internship. You can see the job description, qualifications, additional information, your future at CERN, the required documents that you need to apply for this internship program, and then click on I am interested. After clicking on I am interested, you will be required to add in your resume. You can apply using LinkedIn, Smart Profile, or apply with Indeed, or you can apply manually. You have to add in your first name, your last name, your email address. You have to confirm your email, your place of residence, your phone number. Then you have to add in your experience. Click on add. You have to add in your job title, the dates that you have worked from, and then click on save. Then you have to add in education. Click on add, institution, your majors, degree, school location, description, dates you have studied from and to, and click on save. You have to add in your resume, a message to your hiring manager, and then click on next. Then you have to answer some questions. What is your birth year? Your gender? Please indicate your CERN member or associate member state. Nationality from the list below. You have to select your nationality from the drop-down list. If you hold a second nationality, you have to give your nationality as well. Please rate the level of English. Please rate your level of French. In which country are you studying? Do you confirm you are currently studying and will remain registered with your institute during your study at CERN? Will you have completed at least 18 months of full-time studies by the time of your selection? What is your earliest start date? Do you have some flexibility with these dates? Then you have to add the additional documents required in the job description. I have a registered disability and therefore require a specific adjustment to complete the requirement process. Select yes or no. And then you have to check this privacy policy box and you have to click on submit. This is the final step of the registration. There is no other step, and after this step you will not be allowed to edit any information that you have provided. So before submitting your application, do check all the information provided and all the documents provided are correct, so you can guarantee a chance for this internship program. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.